Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your Dasher Red Card to your Apple Wallet. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and use your Dasher Red Card on your Apple Wallet. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click on the three lines on the top left-hand corner. Afterwards, click on Preferences, then scroll down and click on Activate Red Card. Next, click on Add to Apple Wallet and simply follow the on-screen prompts. But there you have it guys, that right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add your Dasher Red Card to your Apple Wallet. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.